You know, I don't know if you can hear me. Let's do this video now. It was a really, really good day. With some bad news, but it's been a really good day. I had one of the worst sleeps I've had in a long time. I can't explain it, but it was terrible and shocking, and I got like maybe an hour and a half of sleep, and then I went and had a bath at 3:45. It was crazy, just to hopefully relax me, and I think it worked. I think I woke up at 8 after that. I went to bed around 4:30, 5. After the bath, obviously. Anyway, so I rang up my carers and it's like, look, can I get carers to come today on Monday, because I want to get my car switched, by the way. Hello! Ow, 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 ow. It's still a bit sore. And yeah, anyway, I went to the urgency care clinic with a carer, a temporary carer that just came up today for helping me to go to the clinic. And we waited for 3.5 hours at the clinic just to get permission to take my cast off and pretty much get the A-OK. It's still a little bit twitchy, and I struggle to close it. Like, I close this one, maybe not so much. But yeah, that's good news, really good news. Anyway, so I then wandered around home. Not much happened. I probably could do bowling, but I don't want to risk it. So while these boys and girls are playing bowling, my whole family, it's nice to see them all together, to be honest. And partners, of course. I was in here having my own fun. I spent 25 of my own dollars, and I was like playing just the normal games. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to do something I don't do. And I've got to spend money on gambling things. So I bought these. And the very first thing I did... Oh, you got to get it? The very first thing I did is I got this plushie that was right here in the corner. I picked it up and I got it straight away. It was amazing. And I tried all the others and I failed pretty bad. The Yoshi one I did the second best in. I kept picking up this red one over here. But I failed. And this one here, that one there. But, I played the traditional games. But yeah, I won this plushie, and I'll show you. Oh, she's holding it right now. Bugger. There it is. She loves it. Hopefully she can take it to France. Hopefully she can put it in the bag. I'm not sure. But I won one. I don't know if I ever won a claw machine, but that's obvious because I don't remember ever doing a claw machine in my life. It's just because of my bad memory. But I had a great time. Watching my family do bowling is sort of fun. Not really. We got $20 left on the card, so we're going to go and play some air hockey after, and maybe some more games. Hey! What are you doing, Claire?
Coming to see you.
Coming to see me? What are you going to name it? Are you got a name? Well, it's called Hello Kitty. Are you going to call it Kitty or something else?
Kitty cat.
Kitty Cat.
Yeah, because his name is Hello Kitty Cat, but it's a very long name.
Yeah, Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty and friends. Yeah, watermelon. Yeah, so it's been a really good day. Oh, I totally forgot about my scooter. So, I got news from my dad, and he's like, David, your scooter's broken. And I thought, oh, piss off. He's like, I can't go faster than 30 kilometers. But when he got home, we realized, at the time, it was just the belt. So he took it apart, and we thought, oh, okay, it's just the belt. That's no problem. We took it apart and saw that the entire crankshaft has no teeth on it. It's gone. The crankshaft has not... It's got no teeth. it was just spinning and spinning and spinning. It was totally rooted. So that's upsetting. It's really upsetting. But yeah. Yeah. Anyway, bye. Now you laugh. You record me.
Hi, I need your help. You have to go to the toilet.
See ya.